Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi and today we're going to continue on our Clickbank case study using myleadgensecret. Alright, so as you can see, did not get a sale yesterday, but that's okay, right? Um, so we're going to go to the marketplace here and figure out exactly what we're going to do here. We're going to click on e-business and e-marketing because using myleadgensecret, we all know that e-business and e-marketing is the only category you'll probably get sales with. Now you can get sales with other categories because these are regular people at the end of the day, so they might have other interests, but we know one thing they're interested in, and that's making money online. So we're going to click on e-business, e-marketing. Basically, all affiliate marketing is giving somebody a solution to the problem they have told you about. That's all it is. And myleadgensecret, the fact that they're in it already tells you they have a problem. The problem is making money online. So give them a solution, a way to rectify that problem, right? So you want to go with products that promote items online. So I've been thinking about trying something different here. I've been using social pay for a lot, but I've been thinking about trying something different here because I feel like it's saturated. A ton of people promote social pay, social media on up here. So I kind of want to focus on something a little different to see if I can get something happening. Let's see, paid online writing jobs. Chat job. I want to give this a shot here, guys. So we're gonna start promoting this product here and see what we can make happen. All right. Now this, I haven't made money with. Well, I'm not entirely sure. I might have made money with this. I promoted a bunch of products back in the past. I'm not entirely sure if I made money with this or not. I think I have because it looks familiar. But let's keep it moving. Either way, I don't remember. But anyway, it looks possible to make money with this. Okay, we can use pixel tracking as well. Let's not worry about that right now. Now first, we want to go with email swipes. Click on email swipes. But look at these. Can you do this job today? Okay. Job offering $35 per hour. Alright, so what we're gonna do is $35 per hour. Dame, can you do this job today? That's what we're gonna pick. Alright, so let's go here, Millie. So we pick $, 35 plus hour. First name fit. Put the first name in there like that. So we're gonna go in here, and it's pretty simple what we're gonna do here. We're just gonna copy paste pretty much. I name, blah blah blah. Interested, best wishes, signature. Social sale rep. Name. Okay. So we're gonna pick that in here. Signature, we're gonna so that gonna make it bold. And all right, so we got that popping. So we just look for the first name fits here. We're gonna put that at the top right here, right? I name here as well. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna bold, click here. Gonna bold that, click here. Job description page. Oh, we're gonna put our field link there too. Oh, table. Pretty much mimic the email for the most part. Not that difficult. Very easy to understand. Very easy to put together. Make your money. But we're gonna see what we can do with this. Alright, click here to apply now. We're gonna put the link there. So we're gonna find our link here. We're gonna put email GS1. Boom, boom. Got the highlight. Right to the billing system. Add our link here. This should work pretty well. I forgot to change that, but we'll change it in a second. Let's put the link here as well. All right, so instead of country, what we're gonna put here, we're gonna put your area. All right, so that's a very good looking email. All right, so we're gonna go with that. And we're gonna send the email here. Make sure you click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does, it sends the email around the time people start searching their emails. So for example, if you check your emails around 8 o'clock a.m. every morning, average wise, they'll send this email around 8 o'clock a.m. in the morning. So it ends up on the top of the list, a much better chance of being clicked on and checked out. All right, so send the email, right? Now, once you send the email, what you want to do, if you have more accounts, you just go up here, you hit accounts, click on them, and you make another tab and you log out on that tab, log into your next account, and you pretty much, do the same thing here. So we're gonna get our title here. Perfect timing there. I'm gonna change these to second account. There we go. Right, and I think that's good. All right, so we send the email here. Boom. Send that email, and then all we do, go to the next account. Right. All right, we go to the next account. Log out right here. Log into the next one, the next account. If you got more than 3 accounts, you can do that as well. I'm gonna stick to 3. Stay steady. Okay. So paste it here. Change the change the other one. All right, and there you go. The email there, got perfect timing going. Make sure all my links are on. All right, so just send this, and we'll see what happens, guys. It should work pretty well. What you want to do, always make sure to pick like some kind of income segment in the title, so they have an interest in clicking on it. $35 per hour is very good. So they have very good interest, and it doesn't sound unbelievable. Like, it do sound a bit unbelievable, $35 an hour, but it doesn't sound crazy, like $1,000 in a day, something like that. So it sounds very believable. So they click on it and check it out, see what job they could do to make that $30 an hour. All right, so that's about it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Oh, also, one more thing. Make sure to, if you're interested in getting recurring income, also go to Saving Highway Global here to get recurring income going. And get that going there. The more people, I already made $335 in recurring income on this program using just My Lead Gen Secrets. So I'm not promoting it right now. That's why I ain't getting any sales or anything. But you know, but if you want to build up a recurring income, this is probably the best way to do it. Saving Highway Global. All right. So that's all I want to say. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I see you guys. Oh, make sure you hit that notification bell as well. You know, make sure you keep up with what's going on when I post videos and whatnot. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.